Welcome to our channel. If you want to reset your Apple TV to factory settings, follow these step-by-step instructions to restore your device to its original state and resolve any issues. Step 1. From the Apple TV home screen, navigate to the Settings app using your Siri remote. Step 2. In Settings, scroll down and select System or General depending on your tvOS version. Step 3. Find and select the Reset option from the menu. You will see different reset options available. Step 4. Choose Reset and Update if you want to reset your Apple TV and install the latest tvOS version, or select Reset to keep your current tvOS version. Step 5. A warning message will appear informing you that all settings, apps, and data will be erased. This action cannot be undone. Step 6. Confirm your choice by selecting Reset again. Your Apple TV will begin the factory reset process immediately. Step 7. Wait patiently while your Apple TV erases all data and restores factory settings. This process may take several minutes. Do not unplug the device. Step 8. Once the reset is complete, your Apple TV will restart and display the initial setup screen. You can now set it up from scratch or restore from a previous backup. Remember to have your Apple ID credentials ready for the setup process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.